of different objects. Adam says, "Today our teacher asked us, which of these objects is the longest, the paintbrush or the paint tube?" He says, "At first I thought they were of equal length, but the teacher said we can check if that's the case through measuring the length of both the paintbrush and the paint tube in a simple way." The teacher brought small paper clips that were completely identical and of the same length and size, and she said that she will use the clips to measure the length. The teacher placed the first clip by the first end of the paint tube, making sure that the end of the clip was right at the end of the tube. Then she put the second paper clip right on top of the first one, without leaving any space or intertwining the clips. She continued after that and put another paper clip. Then she said we will need to put more paper clips. Here is another clip. And here is one more clip. The teacher thought that she was done then. But she continued and said, "We need to continue putting clips until we reach the top of the paint tube, where the end of the clip is placed at the same level as the cap of the paint tube." The teacher then counted the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 paper clips. She went on to say, "So the length of the paint tube is 7 paper clips." Adam went on to say, the teacher went through the same process with the paintbrush. She put a paper clip at the end of the paintbrush. She continued to place one paper clip after another until she got to the other end of the paintbrush. Afterwards, she counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 paper clips. She said, "The length of the paintbrush is 6 paper clips." So the paint tube is longer than the paintbrush, as the length of the paint tube is 7 paper clips, while the length of the paintbrush is 6 paper clips. Then she said, we can use different things to measure length as long as they have the same length, size, and shape. When Adam went back home, he decided to apply what he learned and to measure the length of his pencil case. He looked for paper clips, but he could not find any. That is when he remembered his teacher saying you can use a variety of different things to measure length. He looked around his room for a while and found a group of Lego blocks and domino pieces. So he decided to measure the pencil case using the blocks in one turn and the domino pieces in the next turn. He started with the Lego blocks. He put the first block by the starting edge of the pencil case. He continued to order the blocks one by one after that until he reached the other end of the pencil case. After, he counted the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adam discovered that the length of the pencil case is 8 blocks. Adam then used the domino pieces to measure the length of the pencil case. He put the pieces one by one, then counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of the pencil case is 4 domino pieces. Adam noticed that when he used Lego blocks to measure the length of the pencil case, the length of the pencil case was 8 blocks. Meanwhile, when he used domino pieces to measure the pencil case, the length of the pencil case was 4 domino pieces. He concluded then that the length of the pencil case differs according to the objects used to measure it. We can use different objects to measure length, such as paper clips, Lego blocks, domino pieces, and others.